Hi, my name is Nathan. Today, we are going to talk about using the Layout Manager function of the 4600 display to change your home screen layout. Let's get started. As you can see, we are on the home page of a 4600 display. Using the arrows in the top right-hand corner, we can toggle between the home pages we have currently set up. Now let's add a new home page. We'll select the menu button in the bottom right. We will select Applications. We will find the Layout Manager icon and select that. We will select All Run Pages, and we will click Add New at the bottom. From here, we will need to name our run page. And then we'll select Add Module. Now we can go through all of the module choices and select what we are looking for to add to this home page. Once we have selected an item, we can move it wherever we would like on the run page that we are creating. Once we have placed that module, we can add another one. Once again, we can move this module to where we would like it on our home page. We then again can add another module. Now we have successfully created a new home page. Once we have created the page to our liking, we will select Save in the bottom right-hand corner. From here, now we will go to Run Page Sets in the top left. We will select the pencil. We will select Add Run Page, and we will select the run page that we just created. Now we will select Save. Now we can X out of this page. We can exit out of our menu, and you can see that our new page we created is now in the active home screen pages.
Thank you for watching. Connect with us by subscribing to Precision Ag Answers on YouTube and following RDO Equipment Company on social media. Visit rdoequipment.com for more precision ag resources and solutions.